Thomas. This is Rich Stamp, aka Cowboy. And what I'm doing out here today with Yamaha Champion Rider School Sportbike Demo Program is kind of getting everyone that has not had the opportunity to sample, as in ride, some of Yamaha's finest super sport product, like the brand new R1. A lot of differences with the product over the last few years. With the R1 this year from the 17 to the 18 now has auto blip, okay? Clutchless downshifts as well as upshift with the quick shifter. So anyway, so we go through different racetracks. We hook up with different racetrack or track day organizations, and we do demo rides. We give everyone an opportunity to sign up, as long as you're a track day participant, sign up and ride a brand new Yamaha. So that might be the decision point for buying that Yamaha product.
Hi, my name is Christian Youth of Willow Springs Raceway, and if you liked what you saw, you can find more of Rody Thomas on YouTube. That's Rody Thomas on YouTube, RODITHOMAS on YouTube. He's partnered up with us to do these videos at our raceway, and we'll be doing a lot of them. So check us out, RODITHOMAS on YouTube. Like and subscribe to this video as well. It's at Real WSIR. Also follow Rody at State Street on Twitter. He's always updating us somewhere. So come on out to Willow Springs Raceway, affordable family fun, 365 days a year. Weather's always nice. Come on out, we'll see you here.